Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Main threat tonight is flash flooding, but severe weather is nearby. You see all the watch boxes down to the south. We've actually had 33 reports of tornadoes down here to our southwest tonight, and I'm kind of going with what I went with at 6 o'clock. We've got this little squall line here to the west of Terre Haute. The far northern end of this little bowing northern part of the line here is moving northeastward. So way down here southeast Montgomery, southern Boone County, I'm going to keep an isolated severe chance from this little line of storms as it moves off to the northeast. But by and large, it's the rainfall that's the main threat. A lot of heavy rain now moving into our western counties. We've got rain here in Lafayette. It is raining moderate to heavily in Attica down towards Perrysville, now in Fowler and approaching Monticello, and the rain's moving into Rensselaer and Logansport. This will cover the viewing area overnight tonight, and we're looking at 1 to 2 inches. Also, don't be surprised if you hear some thunder, see some lightning. There are some lightning strikes here in eastern Illinois, and here's that bowing segment of that squall line. Again, it's way down here where there could be an isolated severe storm overnight tonight. All right, temperatures are mild though, generally in the low 50s in the north, mid 50s Remington, but 60 or better from Lafayette to Frankfort. It's actually kind of muggy tonight here at the station, 60 degrees and 62 at Crawfordsville, and readings really won't change much overnight tonight. Around 60 in the morning with some rain and a few storms. We get a break towards noon, nothing more than an isolated thunder shower, and then towards 5 o'clock some storms will start to develop. 78 degrees, winds out of the south, 20 to 30 miles an hour. So we've got the wave of rain and a few storms tonight. 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Watch out for flash flooding in the morning. Then we'll get a break with some sunshine, and then a severe threat in the evening. But I looked at brand new data, and it looks like it's not for everyone now after the recent analysis came in, but that threat will be 5 to 11 p.m. and then perhaps some more rainfall Wednesday, maybe Thursday, and then everything will be out of here on Friday morning. Severe threat tonight though, way down south, southern Montgomery, southern Boone County. Everyone else, just a flash flood threat. There's the rain and a few embedded storms overnight tonight. There is your break as we get into tomorrow afternoon with warming temperatures and brisk south winds. And then as the front approaches, notice how the storms start to form tomorrow evening, and notice how the main severe threat is down here in our southeastern counties. That's where it's going to set up. Notice Morocco up to Wheatfield, maybe Rensselaer, really not much of a severe weather threat at all. Now, Lafayette, Monticello, Rochester, Fowler, some hail and some pockets of damaging winds as the storms form. And then as they organize with eastward movement, hail, wind, and even a couple tornadoes here. Kokomo down to Frankfort, Kirkland, Atlanta, also Crawfordsville and Ladoga. And highs tomorrow, warm with that break, 75 to about 79 degrees, 78 Lafayette, 77 Monticello, 75 at Morocco. And rainfall, first we'll start with tonight. This is how much will fall tonight into early tomorrow morning. 1 to 2 inches area wide, 1.5 inches Rensselaer, about 1 3/4 inches Monticello, pushing 2 in Lafayette. And rainfall tonight through Friday morning, you get the idea, easily 3 to 5 inches area wide, 4 inches Frankfort, almost 4.5 at Thorntown, 3 2/3 Lafayette, and about 3 inches at Rensselaer. And that will lead to a long duration flood event. Widespread river flooding expected later this week as all that water goes into area rivers. 78 again tomorrow, 70 Wednesday, some showers and even a few thunderstorms, some showers Thursday, but any rain will end early Friday morning. Friday afternoon looks great, Saturday looks great, and then more showers and storms Sunday. Best news I have, drier weather, Nicole, and a long period of warmth, perhaps several days in the 80s as we get into early May.
I'm sure everyone's happy to hear that it will dry out a little bit soon.
Yeah, shut the rain off. Enough already, but we've got to wait a few